are here at the Sashi and press con of Mr. Bataano winners from 2025 and 2026, the ambassadors and the winners of 2025. Congratulations! Naman na tayo sa 2025 winners kay Mr. Tourism World at long last. You're already competing, di ba? Mahabang preparasyon. Nawala na ba ang energy or you already fueled much for yourself?
Actually, it's an advantage for me. It is a good thing that I have more than a year to prepare in Mr. Tourism World Philippines. And the fire, it won't be gone actually. It's always here in me. It's actually burning more. Now I'll be competing here in Mr. Tourism World Philippines 2026.
You're telling us na hindi siya nawala. Mas lalo siya, para kumbaga sa sasakyan, mas lalo siya gumagana. Yes, I like it. Mr. World Philippines, medyo malapit na ang iyong pageant. This is, I think, one of the highest level of the male pageantry. Is that pressuring you? Or you'll just be enjoying everything?
Actually, I feel nervous right now, and this is an opportunity for me to represent our province, and I think this is good for me na isa ako sa mag-represent ng Bataan. And sa kabila ng mga pressure na nararanasan, I'm staying grounded and focused on my purpose because I believe confidence can change lives and open opportunities. Yeah.
Of course, Mr. World na yan. Sabi nga nila, pag hindi natin susubukan, hindi natin malalaman. Of course, nandito naman pa 2026 winners. Now that you're winner, you'll be competing Best Supermodel.
Super ko po, grateful ko po na mag-represent po ang province of Bataan on national stage po.
And also, we have here Mr. Philippines Maribeles in Bataan. Can I just ask how young are you?
I'm 17.
17. So you will also be competing with any other na mga teens out there. So feeling mo, ano ang meron ka bukod sa yung muka? Ano ang meron ka na pwede mo silang kalabanin?
Confidence po hindi mawawala sa akin. Kagaya po ng sinabi ni Kuya MJ, isa po ang confidence na magbibigay sa'yo ng opportunity.
Oh, syempre nga naman, pag walang confidence, para kang slowly dripping out of the zone. Kakatapos lang po ng pageant, have you seen it? Yes. Napanood mo, medyo bakbakan din ang labanan of the body, the face, and the intelligence round. And I think intelligence round will be just like eating a nut for me because I already spoke to you, press con natin, and I think you can speak well. Do you think you are fueled enough para makuha ang Mr. Philippine Islands para sa Bataan?
Ngayon po meron akong 1-year preparation po. So I'm doing my physique po. Ngayon po nagpapaganda ako ng katawan kasi napanood ko nga po, nabakbakan nga po sa Mr. Philippine Islands. And sa may communication skills, syempre po, di po pwede na sakto lang. Kailangan meron po tayong sobra, and that meron po tayong laging room for improvements po dahil maaari po tayong magkamali. And ayun po, ngayon po, gusto ko po na mag-prepare pa po ng mas lalo po para maging proud po sa akin yung mga Bataenyos.
Dahil kayo po ay mga ambassadors ng Bataan, sa palagay nyo, loyalty, determination, o passion, ano sa tatlong yon ang pinaka-importanteng kailangang attribute na sa loobin ng isang Mr. Bataan? Loyalty, determination, at passion.
Sa akin po, you can be passionate, you can be loyal, and you can be determined po in at the same time. Ako po, naniniwala po ako kasi I possess po lahat po 'yan ng tatlo na 'yon.
Determination. Kasi kapag determination ka, abutin yung goal mo, kaya mo pong gawin lahat, kaya mong maging loyalty sa organization na napasukan mo.
For me naman po is determination po because as a man po, determination po yung magbibigay sa akin ng ng lakas para matupad po yung mga ko po. Pangarap ko po sa buhay.
As ambassador of Mr. Bataan, I pick loyalty, and kumbaga subok na yan ng Mr. Bataan 2025, and sa tingin ko yun yung isa sa pinaka maging katangian ng isang ambassador ng Mr. Bataan, ang pagiging loyal sa organization.
Of course, as a Mr. Bataan and also as a Mr. Tourism World Candidate 2026, I believe that all of these three is important. But for me, the most important is determination. Because why? Determination is important. It can be applied to different things. It can be applied in your pageantry life, your school, your work, and everything. And I believe that if you're determined into something, that will be a fruit of something great. So I believe determination is the most important above three of them.
Well, good luck po sa inyong mga journey at sana nga sa loobin nyo ang loyalty, determination at passion sa inyong mga puso kasi sabi nga nila ang inyong pong lalawigan, hindi lang po lalawigan ng bayani kundi lalawigan po ng dangal. Congratulations and good luck to all your journey.